So what's up guys, today is August 30. Tara pa-deliver natin tong crossback Arowana papuntang Lawag City. Ayan, napakagandang scale, high shine level, and ito yung top view nyan. Napaka solid guys. So tara, balutin natin. Yan guys, napaka solid na scale. Crossback Arowana. And then guys, bali ito ng crossback Arowana ni Ma'am Irish papuntang Lawag City. Yan. And binigyan ko na rin siya sticker, and ito yung certificate